Make money from your organization home. Internet marketing promo. Web marketing promotions success is a definite must if you are preparing to bring earnings from your business home. If you are not able to artistically turn web internet browsers into visitors to your website, who might then end up being purchasers, you will fail in product revenue for your business home. Internet marketing promos is basically the way to go when you desire to enjoy the most reviews. Yet, have you ever wondered how to produce and then run a successful advertising campaign that will not just produce a great deal of sales, however, that will permit you to bring the revenue of your company house? Web marketing promos seek all rather expensive sometimes. Rather than putting them into the pocket of professional advertisers. Maybe the secret to effective getting the word out of your service home, web marketing promo sales, and even contents are just few of the methods to do it, is to designate a specific proportion of your budget for 1 to high-powered ads with online giants, and to equally chuck for putting advertisements with a large number of affiliates who will position your ads on their pages. The latter is just as efficient as the former, specifically considering that many of the webmasters have their own loyal followers of loved ones who wish to see their site be successful. By relying greatly on the smaller affiliates, you will not only be able to bring revenues from your organization home, internet marketing promo ideas will reliably put your name into the leading edge of those who are searching for your product. After all, with the little affiliates, you will be able to work together to generate high, innovative, and powerful marketing projects. Whereas your imagination will be seriously obstructed with the co-op giants, who are far less flexible. For that reason, smaller is certainly better. I do hope a little bit of this has helped you. I pop these videos up all the time, so if you would like to see more, then go to my YouTube channel, which is YouTube at IanJackson 1366. When you click on it, you'll not see anything about me, but if you scroll down a bit, then you start seeing my videos. I've got over 250 videos on YouTube, all about making money online, and how to join different sites, how to set up web pages, etc, etc. Whatever you want to know, you'll probably find a video about. So if you go to my channel, YouTube at IanJackson 1366, scroll down the page, you'll find probably what you're looking for. Below this video there's a link. Please click on the link that says like. That's the one. That helps me with YouTube, as YouTube has this thing about not letting you have adverts run on your site. Even though they're YouTube adverts, they get commissions for them, and I do if they run on my site, but you have to have over 1,000 likes, over 1,000 sign-ups, and over 4,000 viewing hours before they let you have an advert on your site. So clicking like will really help, and with you watching this video, that's pushing up my hours of watch. So if you could do that for me, I'd be very, very grateful. Also underneath my video, you'll find links. They're all affiliated. I don't own any of the programs. They're programs I've joined that I like, so I put them underneath my videos because I like them. Whether you like them or not is different matter altogether, because we're all different, aren't we? Also under there's tools. These are tools I make these videos with, and also run different things on the internet with. So any of the tools or programs you want to have a look at, just click on the link. It will take you there. If you do join or purchase, then I get paid a small commission, which is why I put the links underneath, because YouTube won't let me have any of their ads yet to make me money, so I have to keep putting mine up. So if you would like to just explore those few links, and if you join anything, as I said, I will get a small commission. So how the internet works. We all do the same once we get going. So other than this, I wish you all the very best in your internet ventures. One thing you have to always remember, please do searches. Use Google. They will bring up pages and pages of information for you on any site that you're thinking of joining. Also, YouTube will give you videos on anything that you ask for virtually. If you put how to into YouTube, then how to, let's say, fillet a fish, how to chop wood in the correct manner, how to build a bicycle, how to wash your clothes correctly, how to fish. All these silly little things, but helpful things. It's how to in whatever you're chasing. So maybe in your case, how to earn money online, how to make it on the internet, how do I earn money on the internet, how do I promote my site, all these sort of things. YouTube will probably give you a video showing you how to do these things. So once more, all the best in your business. This is IanJackson saying thank you for watching. Please click the like button below. Also up the top there's a bell. If you click on that bell and press all, you'll get informed when I put another video up if you want to watch them all. Alright, all the best in your business. Hope you do come back. Please click the link below. So goodbye for now. Cheerio.